Hey Virgo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Okay, I've been picking this up for a couple of signs, so this is definitely not your energy, Virgos. This is the person that you were dealing with, so it's an ex. I know you want to move forward. Believe me, I'm there with you, okay? But the energy is here. This is definitely someone from your past. This person is taking a cautious approach to come back towards you. Or if you're in communication with this person, they definitely want to start over with you. They definitely want to start over with you. They want to show you, I guess like who they really are, because I feel like they had this mask on and they want to open up to you 100%, but they are being cautious because they know that they messed up in the past. Tell me about flirt. I feel like this person wants to take a playful approach with you. See, they want you to forgive them because maybe they were being flirtatious in the past, but I feel like with them trying to come back in, they want to have fun with you. They want to flirt with you. But in order for that to happen, there has to be some forgiveness that has to take place. I feel like they're going to come back wanting your forgiveness. They want you to heal from the past, and I feel like this person wants to come back to put in the work in order for that to take place. Okay, tell me about finances and career. Very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to now. I'm actually going to clarify that. Tell me about very soon. Engagement. You see what I'm saying? I told y'all Spirit wanted me to keep pulling. Okay? Oh, God. Why is my voice sounding like this, y'all? Because y'all know I would tear this up right now. But I'm trying to be good because I ain't trying to be coughing during this reading. So, listen. The person that messed up, okay? They're basically concerned with their money right now. So, they feel like, Virgos, if this isn't... Okay. Let me back up because I don't want to confuse y'all. So, y'all know this can go vice versa. So, Virgo, if you were the one doing right and you were dealing with someone that was playing games, this is their energy. Cross watchers, if you're dealing with a Virgo and they messed up, this is how they're feeling, okay? So, just roll with it. This person feels like you're stable. You have stability. You got it going on, just in all areas where they feel like they're lacking in their life. And so they want to marry you. I feel like this person is thinking about proposing to you. I feel like they've been talking to people about it, their friends, trying to figure out the best way to approach the situation with you, which is why they're coming back in as a new person, which is why they're asking for forgiveness. This person is not playing with you, okay? This person wants to marry you. Period, point blank, okay? But they need to get their money together, and I feel like that is a concern. So, this is going to be good. Alright, let's jump in. See what's going on. I know y'all like, oh gosh, and I know. I'm not marrying him. I'm not marrying her. Let's just see. Cards don't lie. Alright, bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Wands reversed. So, this is telling me that whoever messed up, they're scared that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you, which is the overall energy. Yeah, so this person does not have the strength to approach you right now or to really tell you what it is that they want, because there was an obstacle here. They could have been dealing with someone else. Excuse me. I told you I didn't feel like coughing. All right, so look. Let me be good. This person could have been in some type of third-party situation where they were entertaining another man or entertaining another woman. It could have been a family situation, but whatever was going on, they know that if they want all of this up here with you, they have to remove themselves out of a situation. Tell me more. Yeah, see what I'm saying, Virgo? They're clearing away obstacles right now. I'm telling you, this person wants to be with you like they're not playing. Oh, Virgo. Okay, look. They're turning things around. Okay? Virgo. Oh, y'all don't do this to me today. Like, I'm trying to, I can't, my throat. Okay, listen. This person loves you. You could be dealing with a Gemini. I'm sorry. sorry, I didn't say you could be dealing with a Leo. Sorry about that. But anyway, could be dealing with a Gemini. This person is one of your soulmates. This person feels like you're it. You're their one true love. They love the hell out of you. They want this to work. Do you hear me? But, oh, there's a but. This person is dragging their feet. I'm telling you, they were being a player. They were playing around in the past. And this is why they're scared to come forward. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But yeah, look at that. This person's scared they're not going to have a victory with you. Because, see, they're playing games. They're playing games in the past. And you guys told them, like, I'm not doing this with you anymore. Could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. But, see, this person didn't bring balance into this relationship with you. But so now it's like they're taking their time, which is why pay attention to the red flags is here. They're taking a cautious approach. They're taking it day by day to come back towards you. Look at that. They're gonna give you a gift, Virgo. They're gonna make some type of offer here, something that you deserve. They definitely do not want to argue with you. But at the same time, I feel like they're battling themselves because they're not making a move to approach you. They want to come in, but they're just not. Tell me more. Okay, so this is telling me that whatever cycle that they were going through, it is now completed. They will move forward with you, or they want to move forward with you. But they're having a hard time doing so. You guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, and here's a Taurus. But this person is having a hard time right now. Because I feel like they're scared that you don't want a commitment with them. You don't want to marry. I'm telling you, this person is planning on proposing to you. They see themselves being with you. But for some reason, they feel stuck or trapped in a situation. So maybe for others of you, maybe this isn't for everybody, so y'all don't start jumping off the deep end. But maybe for some of you guys, this person is still in some type of commitment, relationship, marriage that they feel trapped in. And then they know they have to get out of the situation, which I do feel like they are. But right now, they're just not making the move. Let's see. See? They're scared that things may not improve with you. Excuse me. This person's going to put in the work to come back towards you to make things right. Because they messed up. They know that you're sad. Y'all, hold on. I'm sorry. I need my water. Y'all got me all hype off y'all reading. Okay. So, somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but you guys are just sad, and they know that they hurt you, but they want things to improve here. Tell me more. So, they made a decision. What's their decisions? They want to give you an offer, but they're not, because I feel like they've been doing a lot of reflecting, and they're realizing that they're being very childish in the past. The way they handle the situation with you, they definitely do want a new opportunity. This person is planning. I don't know who this is for, but I'm telling you, this person wants to marry you. Like, I keep hearing marriage. They're not playing. So, it's just... You're going to take them back or not, okay? Let's see. Clarify the world. Yeah, see, if this person felt stuck in a situation with someone else, whether it's a romantic situation, family, whatever, they're removing themselves. They're definitely going to remove themselves. They're going to have a peace of mind, but see, the thing is, there's an offer here. I'm telling you, they're scared you're going to shut this offer down. Why is the sun here? Excuse me. Something about the Six of Cups. Hold on. Okay. For some of you guys, see, my voice is going out. Okay, y'all hold on. Okay. For some of you guys, the person that I'm talking about that messed up, They want to marry you. They're planning to propose to you. But they feel stuck in a situation. They're feeling stuck because there is a child that was created or it's something with children here, or a child. That is an obstacle. If there isn't a child in the picture for your situation, it's just that this person feels like you are going to reject their offer. They're sad because they realize after all the BS that they put you through, and it's like once you shut them down, you really do make them happy. But they keep thinking about what they did in the past, and this is why they're kind of stalling, because they're trying to figure out how to even approach you. But they're thinking about the future, which is why I'm telling you, somebody is planning on proposing really soon. This person is trying to manifest you. They're trying to stay positive. But see, this person also has a hard time opening up and speaking their truth to you. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Back and forth. Okay. See what I'm saying? So it's like 1 minute, the way the Knight of Swords and the Four of Swords came out, it's like 1 minute they're coming out of worrying about it and they're going to rush in to speak their truth to you. But the next minute, they're worried and they're not saying anything to you. You know, this person is really in their head. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, but yeah, they don't have any hope that you would take them back. Yeah, see, they want to give you an offer. I'm going to take that both ways because I saw it come out like this. But they definitely want to give you an offer. But I'm telling you, they feel like you're going to turn this offer down. Because this is a secure offer. They're not playing games with you anymore. But they feel like you don't want it. Due to the fact that some of them did put you in some type of third-party situation. I see here that, excuse me, they do want to take you out. Because they're looking for the truth. So, sorry, I keep clearing my throat. They're looking for the truth from you. So, you may get invited on a date. Or they may hit you up like, hey, you know, I want to talk to you about some things, you know, can I take you out? Do you want to meet me X, Y, Z? You know, it's something like that because they're looking for the truth. They're trying to figure out how you feel. They're trying to see, okay, if you're going to give them a fighting chance to speak their truth, to work on forgiving, you know, them about the situation that they put you in, so that way you guys can move forward. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice. For some of you guys, I do feel like somebody is going through a legal situation and they were waiting for a judgment. I feel like some type of decision was made. And see, now they're feeling guilty because they put you in some type of situation, and now I feel like they're trying to balance something out. They're feeling guilty because now they feel stuck or obligated to do something. Tell me more. See, I'm telling you, they're trying to balance things out. Look at... Yeah, they're trying to balance things out because I'm telling you, this person put them in a situation that they're like, why did I do this? Like, okay, I'm going to have to figure this out, and I don't even know if Virgo or Crosswatcher is going to accept me back because somebody got cut off. Y'all cut this person off. Whoever messed up, y'all cut them off. Could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see, I'm telling you, there was a breakup. Yep, because somebody was tired of getting stabbed in the back by this person. And I feel like, Virgo, you cut this person off in order for you to heal. And that's what you've been doing. And look at that. By you cutting this person off cold turkey, you stop talking to them, you put your foot down. It's like now they're realizing who you are to them, what they want. They're coming back. Because this person wants to marry you. There's somebody here that just does not want it to happen. But there's 2 tens here. So it's like this karmic cycle that has been playing out is coming to an end. There is a new cycle beginning. Tell me more. See? The seeds that were planted. This person wants them to grow with you, Virgo. Take it this way. So there's an offer here. This person definitely wants to give you an offer and they're confident about it. But at the same time, even though they're going to come to you to give you this offer, they're not sure if you even want to build with them, but they're going to stick their neck out, you know, because they're like, I cannot let this person get away.